Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Emplive account for employees. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open up a web browser. Now in the search bar, type in ess.emplivecloud.com. Then you'll come across this login portal. Here, type in your username and password. And if you've forgotten your password, then tap on Forgotten Password link. After you've entered your details, click on the Sign In button. And that is how you can log into Emplive account for employees. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.